comprehensive Bitdefender review video. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into one of the most popular and widely used antivirus and cybersecurity solutions on the market, Bitdefender. Bitdefender is a name that has been synonymous with top-notch digital protection for many years now. As technology continues to advance and the threat landscape evolves, the need for robust security solutions has become more crucial than ever before. Whether you're an individual user, and welcome to our comprehensive Bitdefender review video. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into one of the most popular and widely used antivirus and cybersecurity solutions on the market, Bitdefender. Bitdefender is a name that has been synonymous with top-notch digital protection for many years now. As technology continues to advance and the threat landscape evolves, the need for robust security solutions has become more crucial than ever before. Whether you're an individual user, a small business owner, or an enterprise-level organization, protecting your devices and data from the ever-increasing array of cyber threats is a top priority. In this video, we'll explore the key features, capabilities, and performance of Bitdefender, helping you determine whether it's the right choice for your specific security needs. We'll cover everything from the company's history and reputation to the various product offerings, user interface, and real-world test results. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of Bitdefender and be equipped to make an informed decision about whether it's the best antivirus solution for you. So, let's dive right in and take a closer look at Bitdefender. Company background and reputation. Bitdefender is a cybersecurity company that was founded in 2001 in Romania. Since its inception, the company has grown to become one of the leading providers of antivirus and security solutions, with a global footprint that spans more than 150 countries. One of the key factors that has contributed to Bitdefender's success and reputation over the years is its focus on innovation. The company has consistently been at the forefront of developing cutting-edge security technologies, investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the ever-evolving threat landscape. Bitdefender's commitment to innovation is reflected in its extensive portfolio of award-winning products, which have been recognized by numerous industry organizations and publications. The company has received numerous accolades, including top rankings in independent antivirus tests conducted by respected organizations such as AV-Test, AV-Comparatives, and SE Labs. In addition to its technical prowess, Bitdefender has also earned a reputation for its exceptional customer service and support. The company's global team of security experts is available to assist users with any questions or issues they may encounter, providing timely and effective solutions. Another factor that has contributed to Bitdefender's reputation is its focus on data privacy and security. The company has implemented robust data protection measures to safeguard the personal information of its customers, and it has also been vocal in its advocacy for stronger consumer privacy laws and regulations. Overall, Bitdefender's long-standing history, innovative approach, and commitment to customer satisfaction have helped it establish a strong brand reputation in the cybersecurity industry. As users look to protect their devices and data in an increasingly complex digital landscape, Bitdefender's reputation as a reliable and trustworthy security provider can give them the confidence they need to make an informed decision. Product offerings. Bitdefender offers a comprehensive suite of security solutions designed to cater to the needs of various user segments, from individual consumers to enterprise-level organizations. Let's take a closer look at the company's product offerings. 1. Bitdefender Antivirus. Bitdefender Antivirus is the company's entry-level security solution, designed for individual users who are looking for basic protection against malware, viruses, and other online threats. This product includes real-time threat detection, ransomware protection, and a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to manage and control your security settings. 2. Bitdefender Internet Security. Bitdefender Internet Security is a step up from the antivirus offering, providing a more comprehensive suite of security features. In addition to the core antivirus functions, this product includes a two-way firewall, webcam and microphone protection, parental controls, and a secure browser for online banking and shopping. 3. Bitdefender Total Security. Bitdefender Total Security is the company's flagship product, offering the most extensive suite of security features. This solution includes all the capabilities of the Internet Security Package, as well as additional features such as a VPN, file encryption, and a password manager. The Total Security Suite is designed to provide complete protection for all of your devices, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. 4. Bitdefender Premium Security. Bitdefender Premium Security is the company's premium tier offering, aimed at users who require the highest level of security and privacy protection. In addition to the comprehensive security features found in the Total Security Suite, this product includes advanced data protection tools, a secure encrypted browser, and a dedicated 24/7 support line for premium customers. 5. Bitdefender Family Pack. Bitdefender Family Pack is a multi-device security solution that allows you to protect up to 15 devices with a single subscription. This product is ideal for households with multiple devices, offering the same level of protection as the Total Security Suite across a larger number of devices. 6. Bitdefender Small Office Security. Bitdefender Small Office Security is a tailored security solution designed for small businesses and home offices. This product includes features such as advanced threat detection, cloud-based management, and centralized control over security policies for up to 25 devices. 7. Bitdefender Enterprise Security. Bitdefender Enterprise Security is the company's comprehensive security solution for large-scale organizations. This product offers enterprise-grade protection, including advanced threat prevention, network-level security, and centralized management tools for IT administrators. In addition to its core security products, Bitdefender also offers a range of specialized solutions, such as Bitdefender Anti-Spam, Bitdefender Endpoint Security Tools, and Bitdefender Gravity Zone, which are designed to meet the unique security requirements of specific industries and use cases. Regardless of the size of your organization or the specific security needs you have, Bitdefender's diverse product portfolio ensures that there's a solution that can effectively address your concerns and provide the protection you need. User interface and ease of use. One of the key factors that sets Bitdefender apart from its competitors is its user-friendly and intuitive interface. The company has put a lot of effort into ensuring that its security solutions are easy to navigate and manage, even for users who may not have a strong technical background. The Bitdefender interface is clean, modern, and visually appealing, with a straightforward layout that makes it easy to access the various security features and settings. The main dashboard provides a clear overview of your device's security status, with real-time threat monitoring and the ability to quickly initiate scans or access additional security tools. The menu structure is well organized, with intuitive navigation that allows you to quickly find and configure the specific security features you need. Whether you're looking to adjust your firewall settings, manage your passwords, or configure parental controls, the Bitdefender interface makes it easy to access and customize these features to suit your preferences. One of the standout features of the Bitdefender interface is its adaptive design, which automatically adjusts the layout and functionality based on the device you're using. This ensures a consistent and user-friendly experience whether you're accessing the software on your desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Another notable aspect of the Bitdefender interface is its multilingual support, which allows users from around the world to access the software in their preferred language. This helps to ensure that Bitdefender's security solutions are accessible to a global audience, further strengthening the company's commitment to providing comprehensive protection for all users. Overall, Bitdefender's user-friendly interface is a significant advantage for the company, as it helps to make its security solutions more accessible and user-friendly for a wide range of users. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or a small business owner with limited IT resources, the Bitdefender interface provides a seamless and intuitive experience that can help you effectively manage and protect your devices and data. Performance and test results. One of the key factors that has contributed to Bitdefender's reputation as a leading provider of antivirus and security solutions is its consistent performance in independent tests and evaluations. Bitdefender has consistently earned top scores and accolades from respected industry organizations such as AV-Test, AV Comparatives, and SE Labs, which conduct rigorous and impartial testing of security software. In the latest AV-Test evaluation, Bitdefender received a perfect score of 6 out of 6 in all 3 categories: protection, performance, and usability. This is a testament to the company's ability to provide comprehensive protection against the latest threats without compromising system performance or user experience. Similarly, in the most recent AV Comparatives tests, Bitdefender emerged as a top performer, earning the prestigious Advanced Plus rating in the Real-World Protection Test, which measures a product's ability to protect against widespread and prevalent malware threats. Bitdefender's impressive performance in these independent tests is further bolstered by its strong detection capabilities. The company's security solutions are powered by advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms that are designed to identify and neutralize even the most sophisticated and elusive threats. One of the key advantages of Bitdefender's detection technology is its ability to adapt and evolve in response to the constantly changing threat landscape. The company's research and development teams are constantly working to identify new and emerging threats, and they use this information to continuously update and improve the company's security solutions. This adaptability is particularly important in today's digital landscape, where cybercriminals are constantly developing new and more sophisticated methods of attack. By staying ahead of these threats, Bitdefender is able to provide its users with the comprehensive protection they need to keep their devices and data safe. In addition to its strong performance in independent tests, Bitdefender has also earned a reputation for its ability to optimize system resources and minimize the impact on device performance. This is a critical factor for many users, who are often concerned about the potential for security software to slow down their devices or interfere with their day-to-day activities. Bitdefender's optimized performance is achieved through a combination of advanced technologies, such as its proprietary hypervisor introspection (HVI) feature, which offloads security processing to dedicated hardware components, and its dynamic optimization engine, which continuously adjusts the security settings to ensure optimal performance. These performance-enhancing features have been widely praised by users and industry experts alike, with many noting that Bitdefender's security solutions are able to provide comprehensive protection without significantly impacting device speed or responsiveness. Overall, Bitdefender's consistent top-tier performance in independent tests, coupled with its advanced detection capabilities and optimized system performance, make it a highly compelling choice for users who are looking for a reliable and effective security solution. Whether you're an individual user, a small business owner, or an enterprise-level organization, Bitdefender's proven track record of excellence and its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction make it a strong contender in the crowded cybersecurity market. In conclusion, Bitdefender is a leading cybersecurity company that has established itself as a trusted and reliable provider of antivirus and security solutions. With its long-standing history, innovative approach, and commitment to customer satisfaction, Bitdefender has earned a reputation as one of the most effective and user-friendly security solutions on the market. Throughout this review, we've explored the various aspects of Bitdefender's offerings, from the company's background and reputation to its diverse product portfolio, user-friendly interface, and impressive performance in independent tests. One of the standout features of Bitdefender is its commitment to innovation. The company has consistently been at the forefront of developing cutting-edge security technologies, investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead of the ever-evolving threat landscape. This dedication to innovation has allowed Bitdefender to maintain its position as a market leader, providing its users with the comprehensive protection they need to keep their devices and data safe. Another key strength of Bitdefender is its user-friendly interface. The company has put a lot of effort into ensuring that its security solutions are easy to navigate and manage, making it accessible to users of all technical backgrounds. Whether you're an individual user or an IT administrator in a small business, the Bitdefender interface provides a seamless and intuitive experience that can help you effectively manage and protect your devices and data. Bitdefender's impressive performance in independent tests is also a testament to the quality and reliability of its security solutions. The company's consistent top-tier rankings and evaluations conducted by respected industry organizations, such as AV-Test and AV Comparatives, demonstrate its ability to provide comprehensive protection against the latest threats without compromising system performance or user experience. One of the unique advantages of Bitdefender is its adaptability. The company's security solutions are powered by advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms that are designed to identify and neutralize even the most sophisticated and elusive threats. This ability to adapt and evolve in response to the constantly changing threat landscape is particularly important in today's digital landscape, where cybercriminals are constantly developing new and more sophisticated methods of attack. Overall, Bitdefender is a standout choice in the cybersecurity market, offering a comprehensive suite of security solutions that are designed to meet the needs of users across a wide range of devices and use cases. Whether you're an individual user, a small business owner, or an enterprise-level organization, Bitdefender's proven track record of excellence and its commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction make it a strong contender for your security needs. If you're in the market for a reliable and effective antivirus and security solution, we highly recommend giving Bitdefender a closer look. With its robust feature set, user-friendly interface, and impressive performance, Bitdefender is well-positioned to provide the comprehensive protection you need to keep your devices and data safe in today's ever-evolving digital landscape.